After moving into their 1990 two-story house 4 years ago, April and Gray were full of big ideas for fixing it up.
When we purchased this house, I was pregnant at the time.
Just found out first baby was on board.
So we needed to find something quickly. It was a house that we were originally planning on renovating and updating, but we haven't done it and we don't know how to do it.
Now, with their 3-year-old daughter Maggie and 2-year-old son Andrew, the unresolved issues with the house have taken their toll.
Everything needs to be updated. This space here just isn't functional for us. Between the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry, it just doesn't make any sense.
We've got a beautiful yard, beautiful neighborhood. Why leave when we can fix it right here?
Because you'll never fix it.
Give me time, and we can get this place looking fabulous.
How much time do you need?
Just gotta be patient.
No, we just gotta move. Oops, sorry. We've been here for 4 years, and my kitchen is still the same.
I admit we need some changes in the kitchen.
Go ahead. Entertaining guests in this kitchen is just not working for us. It feels really cramped. It's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing.
I think once we can get some new stuff in our kitchen, she'll be fine.
Hey, hi, bud. Are you okay? I would love to be able to see my kids while I cook.
I do like the open concept option, which I think we can
You
get done
can't
here.
do it in a space like this.
I think we can.
No, and you don't know what walls to knock down anyways.
You know, maybe this one. Now I'm stuck.
Everything is so outdated, and you keep making all of these promises, and I love you, but I think it's time to go.
I don't know the solution, but we need help.
I'm just done. I'm done trying to talk him into different renovations. I'm ready to move.
I think the best thing for our family truly is to stay here.
You need to start opening your eyes and realizing that it's okay, that we can move. It would be better for our family.
It wouldn't be better for our family. Our family is just fine right here.
After only seeing some cosmetic issues with April and Gray's house, David and Hilary hope to learn more as they meet the homeowners and discuss their budgets.
So Hilary and I have been through your house, and there are some obvious upgrades that probably I would imagine you want to do, like in the kitchen.
Right.
Yes.
Kitchen's definitely
Bathroom
nice.
upstairs in the master.
Yes.
I've done an evaluation on your house, and the current value is $284,000.
Okay.
How does that sound?
Pretty good.
Fair.
So what is the must-have list to get you out of this house?
We're looking for an updated kitchen that's open to the living room. Mudroom off the entryway, 4 bedrooms, at least 2.5 bathrooms, a large master ensuite and closet, playroom for the kids, an office, needs to be closer to my work.
Okay. What is the budget for the new house?
We've set a budget at $340,000.
Now, you said closer to your work. Depending on where it is from here to your work, it could put you in a more expensive neighborhood.
I think you can do that.
I mean, obviously, once I get into it, I'll know more, but for now, I think we're good.
Okay.
Over to you.
Of course, I went through the house. Yes, obvious places that you want to have updated, because anybody would.
I know what I like when I see it, but I don't know how to get it there.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm here.
Exactly.
But what I need is to know exactly what you consider has to be done in order to convince you to stay.
Okay. We need to renovate the kitchen, create an open concept living room, renovate the master bathroom, create a bigger laundry room, and matching floors throughout the downstairs.
Easy, right?
Nothing's easy, because I don't know the big news yet, which is what's my budget?
Your budget is going to be $50,000.
You see, that's where it just stopped being easy. Right there.
Went
If
out the door.
it's too hard, we can always move.
You could. Do you want to do that now and not even bother?
No.
Oh,
You could do
we're
that.
We're staying put. We're
You
staying
sure?
put. Oh, absolutely.
Very often you think you need things that actually I can give you without ripping the house apart. I can repurpose space. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to do my best to make this house work for you. It's definitely going to function 100% better than it does now. And when I'm done, you're going to love it.
It's not what's going to happen. You're going to get a little repurposing, but for me, you're going to get the perfect house from top to bottom. And when I find it, the only thing you're going to say about this one is listed.
All right.
So, not bad, right?
No.
Pretty nice?
Floors are pretty nice, too.
Well, we'll talk about the floors later. You need to know we have $50,000.
That's it.
50,000. So, here's the first thing I want to do. I think that the living room going out to the sunroom is lovely. I'd love to open it up and get that wall down.
I'm pretty sure it's not load-bearing, and I'll just double-check with the engineer, okay?
All right. We've got a powder room here, a really nice deep coat closet here. So, kitchen. I don't think it's terrible and horrible. I mean,
No,
it needs a
not at all.
facelift for sure. I'd like to upgrade the hood and the stove. I hate these stumpy little doors. There's no reason for that bulkhead.
Doesn't make any sense.
Depending on our money, I'd love to be able to really rip those out. I don't care what it takes. Out of that 50,000, new floors. Same consistent flooring throughout.
That sounds like a plan.
No thing that says.
All right, let's go.
So this is the bonus room. Right next to the bonus room, they don't actually have a laundry room here. They have a laundry area, the typical thing off the hallway. So look, that's all they have. Careful. Can you fix that?
I will.
Good. So here's my idea. I'm going to push back that wall, which is this wall right here. We're going to move the wall back into the bonus room to create a true laundry room. Okay? Now we're going on to the master.
There's more?
All right, this is it. So they have this pokey little shower they have never used except for storage. It was jammed with boxes. It's old, it's nasty, it's dreadful. Even though, to me, the most beautiful thing about this bathroom is the window, we have to sacrifice some of it. That will become a walk-in shower. We've got to maintain a double vanity, and we can just slide the toilet down because it's hopefully running between the joists.
We have 50,000.
It's a hefty list, it's a small budget. Clearly, these are things that need doing.
I agree. I want to make you happy.
I want to make April happy.
While Hilary and Eric deal with the leak and water damage, David takes April and Gray to houses all along Gray's route to work, hoping to find a house with the perfect floor plan.
This is a nice big space.
Isn't this amazing?
It's perfect for my sewing. I mean, I like that it's open concept.
Today was a better day. I'll give David that.
What do you think?
I really liked it.
Just don't know if I'm ready to say yes yet.
Gray thinks he's just kind of going along for the ride, but ultimately, he's gonna move.
Having mixed results with David, April and Gray hope for better news as they meet with Hilary back at their house.
I want you to come and see the whole new layout of your master bathroom. I think it's going to be exciting.
All
Okay.
right.
Ready?
Yeah,
Let's go.
It looks so different with nothing in it.
Wow.
It doesn't even look like our
Totally,
bathroom
I'm not
anymore.
even sure. I've got to think about where so this is the
There's your
shower.
shower, obviously. It's nice, isn't it? I mean, it's
Okay.
like a big, proper shower.
Wow.
Okay.
I like it. I'm very excited about that.
We did find an issue. When they started pulling out everything to start work, they found soaking wet insulation here. This is the masonry brick fireplace that runs
Okay.
through your home, obviously from the roof all the way down into the living room. The water was coming in around with the flashing. There's always metal flashing around the base and around the top of the chimney.
Really?
And it wasn't a problem we could let go.
So it was within our budget?
No, nevertheless, it was not in your budget. It was a hit. I had great plans to enlarge your laundry room. This has now eaten your laundry room.
That is just really, really disappointing.
I mean, there's nothing to be said. I mean, it just is what it is.
Okay.
So let's get back to the
Yes.
awesomeness of the
Yes.
bathroom.
The bathroom.
All right.
Yes.
I'm thinking that this should be a gray and white bathroom.
I like this a lot.
Good.
I like this a lot. It makes me want to talk about the kitchen.
Sure.
I really would love, and it's always been my dream, to have this white kitchen with a white farmhouse sink. What do you think about making our cabinets white?
Well, actually, I was going to make the upper cabinets white no matter what.
Okay.
Let's say even this pale gray, maybe even a tone lighter. And to do those on the base cabinets.
I don't necessarily like two-toned kitchens.
What I'm doing is with the gray, I'm trying to pull the gray out of the countertops.
I know that our countertops don't really have gray in
Yes,
it.
they do. They have flecks of gray and they have flecks of white.
I think all she sees, unfortunately, is brown.
You can't afford new countertops. It's that simple. So, what am I doing with your cabinetry?
You're the designer, and we're leaving anyways. So.
No, we're going to stay.
While Hilary basks in her good fortune, David is also feeling confident as he prepares to show April and Gray a house he knows they'll love.
This house is gonna get them 15 minutes closer to Gray's work. 2,300 square feet, it's brand new. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It's got a laundry room, open concept, just the way they want it and not the way they're going to get it from Hilary. The price? It's slightly over budget, but only slightly. What do you think?
I like it.
It's
I
very
like
pretty
it a
from the
lot.
outside.
After you.
Wow.
Love that it's so open.
Open concept.
Yes, exactly the way you wanted it.
I love the hardwoods. I love that it's all
Look at
throughout.
that.
You've got your dining room over there, and this is where you can set up a fantastic family space. And a light kitchen.
Look at it, April.
Finally.
A light kitchen.
David, this is exactly what we were looking for. 100%. These countertops are great.
Come with me. I know that you need an office space, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
I was wondering where that was.
Well, it's here, but it's not here.
Okay.
Obviously, for this to be your office, it would require some work.
Yeah, I don't know how much it would cost to finish this, but
Well, I mean, you're talking about, walls and flooring. You don't have to do anything major. You're basically just closing it in. Extra storage,
Okay.
full 4-piece washer.
Very nice. This is exactly what we need for a guest bathroom.
Let's head downstairs
Okay.
to the kitchen, and we'll talk money.
Okay.
sounds good.
What do you think about this house overall?
Oh, I love it. I loved everything about this house. I love that it's brand new. I love
I know.
The cabinets.
these cabinets. The white cabinets.
I really do like this house. It's got pretty much everything on our list that we needed. You did.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$360,000?
What do you think?
I was thinking $375,000.
This house is listed at $355,000. Now, here's the thing. This house has been on the market for 60 days. So I think it would be an easy negotiate down to the 340 mark.
Okay.
Making it even harder on me.
I think this could be our home.
Could be. Really didn't think that David was going to be able to find a house that I truly loved.
This is the type of open concept they need. They know it, I know it, and Hilary is soon going to know it.
Do you want to move?
I don't know. I mean, it's definitely changed things for me. We'll see what happens.
Folks, it's over.
While David is feeling good, Hilary and her team rush to finish getting April and Gray's house in tip-top shape.
Good. Come on in.
My goodness.
So let's start with the fact that the whole color is different.
Love it.
It is. It's much lighter.
Lighter and brighter and still neutral, and it really sets off your floors. It looks like a new house
Floor
right
looks
now.
great, and these doors are beautiful.
Well, let's go through those doors.
All right. Wow. Look at this.
Hard to believe this was our dining room.
Our dining room looks nothing like it, which is perfect.
Beautiful.
Yep, a little spot for us to
Spot
work.
for us to work.
Sewing area.
It's gorgeous. I can lay out all of my fabric when I need to, and it looks great.
Let's move on.
All right.
All right, you ready?
Ready to
Go on
see.
in.
Awesome.
This is great.
This is our room. I like it. It opens up.
It feels a lot more homey.
Great. And it leads into...
Wow.
Oh, goodness.
This is beautiful. Is this really ours?
Wow.
This is yours.
I mean, this
Oh,
vanity.
This is so pretty. I love it. Oh my goodness.
Look at this place.
So we did get new countertops.
We did. Thank
Oh
you.
my gosh. This is gorgeous. This is exactly what I've dreamed of.
That's your white kitchen.
Oh my gosh. It's perfect.
You have all new upper cabinets. Now, your lower cabinets, those are your original cabinets
Okay.
that have been repainted.
Wow. I would
They look
never,
beautiful.
ever be able to tell that.
That's the whole idea. The white cast iron sink is your little bit of country. This used to be the
The walkway.
open area through to your old dining
It's
room.
crazy because this used to be the refrigerator and it
Yep.
was so,
Tight.
so tight.
That is not an issue.
That is awesome.
Perfect.
Here's the thing I want you to know.
Okay.
I had no money in the budget for your countertops. But I personally want to wish you a happy anniversary because this was your gift from your husband.
Really? Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, these are so
anniversary, sweetie.
beautiful. This is a great anniversary gift.
Isn't it? And on that note, hold on to this. I'll get David to come in and do his best.
Okay. This is so sweet. Thank you so much, sweetie.
Decision made?
We have made a decision.
Decision's made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We're going to love it.
Oh, you always say what?
I know. 15 minutes closer to work. A house that's done, brand new.
Honestly, I feel like my anniversary present was kind of a deal breaker there.
Well, that's not fair.
I know. Hilary did such a great job, and it looks so beautiful.